Okay, we're going to make our sauce today for our flat edge smash burgers. So we're going to put a little mayonnaise in our bowl, about 1.5 tablespoons, just for a couple of smash burgers today, not a bunch. We're going to put a little bit of sweet relish in there, then some granulated garlic, a little bit of that. Sriracha sauce. Gotta have some sriracha sauce in this thing. It's gonna be pretty good. Something that I just made up. I seen something similar to online, but I've changed some of the ingredients a little bit just to make it for myself. And some ketchup also. Then we're gonna mix this all up real good. Try it out here shortly. Let's see what this is tasting like here. I think just a little bit more sriracha sauce. We do like it a little bit spicy. Overall, that's pretty good. Oh yes, now that's about right for us. You folks stay tuned with us, because we're going to get outside and we're going to make our flat edge smash burgers. Yep, that's what I said, a flat edge. These are going to be really good. Okay, we're going to start out our flat edge smash burgers. We're going to put a little oil on this griddle. It's good and hot right now. Going to take the spatula and move it around. Now I've got 2 nice burgers going to go on here. These are going to be something really interesting. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the first burger right on there. Hear the sizzle going, folks. And number 2. Now the main thing is you got to make sure that you got plenty of room between the burgers, because these are going to be bigger than the bun. So we're going to let that sizzle a second there. Going to throw a little butter on the griddle over here for our buns. Now I've got this side turned off on the griddle right here. This side is completely off. So we're going to take these buns. I'm going to rub a little butter on bottom, top of them rather, and on the bottom I'm going to set them off there. A little butter on there. Let them just sit over there and just do their thing. We'll get these hamburgers done, the smash burgers. Smash burgers are, like I said, are going to be bigger than the bun. We're going to have lettuce, tomato. We're going to have some nice sweet onions on here today, and I'm going to have cheese on mine. Deborah doesn't want cheese on hers, but I'm going to put it on mine. All right, so we got that sizzle a little bit. We're going to turn this dude over now. Look how nice and brown that is. And nice and brown that one is. Got to make sure we got enough oil on the bottom of our spatula here. And what we're going to do, we're going to take 2 spatulas. Now you could use just about anything you want, a trowel or anything, as long as you clean it up good from the hardware store. However, you know, we've got 2 nice Blackstone spatulas, and so we're going to use them out there. So here we go with one of them. Taking that dude and just smashing that out. Now take the edges and kind of smash it around there. The inside of this burger is going to be really nice and juicy. The outside is going to be nice and crispy. And it's going to be nothing but good. Number 2 going out there. Just letting that sear in there for a second. Kind of form it out a little bit there. Never going to be perfectly round, but that's just what the good smash burger is. All right, we're going to let them sit in there and do their thing a little bit. I'm going to check my buns here, see how they're looking. Nothing bad, just getting a little bit done on it. All right. And a little bit more butter over here. Going to put those buns right a little bit further over now to get them crisped up there one time over and over. I'm just about ready to turn those burgers over, I do believe. We'll take a little look at them here shortly here, just to see what they're looking like. Oh, another minute. Another minute for that one. Nothing but good stuff here, folks. Hope you have some good crispy edges on these burgers. "30 seconds. Pretty nice day today out here. Going to cook these up in the nice cool weather. I guess about 55, 60 degrees today. But having a good time at it. Buns are looking pretty good. Good and buttery up there. That one's good. Looking good there too. Look at that. Going to be nice and crisp. Time to flip them. Look how nice and dark those are. How those are going to be just crunchy. Good. Just going to be good. Love a good hamburger now. Good smash burger, that is. Our ground beef is an 80-20. 80% lean, 20% fat. We like the little juices going on. Number 2. Look how nice that looks. Oh, yeah. And like I said, lettuce, tomato, onion. Debbie's making some onion rings inside for us on the air fryer. I was going to do them on the air fryers out here, but we decided to do it on the inside. Oh, look at there. Look at that bun. Yeah. Burgers are good and done. I'm going to turn this off. Let them just sit there for a few minutes while we get ready to build our burgers. Now, I got to put my cheese on mine, which is that one right there. And that'll get good melted for me. Get these buns out there. And we'll start building our burger here real shortly. Sure do smell good. I wish y'all could smell this. It is something good. Not quite. Give it a couple more minutes on this here. All these are going to be juicy, juicy. Gonna have to try something different tomorrow on the griddle. I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna be. I think I might do a stir fry tomorrow. Have that for our dinner for tomorrow evening. Or could do a steak. Nice ribeye always is good on the griddle. Yeah, I know, folks. Who wants to put a ribeye on the griddle? I do. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're getting ready to build our burger up here, both of them up. I'm set that out of the way there. Now then, I am going to put my one bun down now. Let's get this camera set so we can see. Let me get around there. I'll show you what we do with this. All right, there we go. Looks like pretty good. Couple of buns. Look at the buns, real nice and neat there. Gonna just set that and get a little bit. This is Debbie's here. She does not want any cheese on hers. So we're just gonna put the burger on there. All right, there's that burger right there on top of that bun. Look how it just fills that bun up. Lots of bun filled up there. Debbie's gonna have some tomato. A little bit of onion. Some lettuce. And oh, I forgot my the dressing. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Now then we'll put our dressing right on there for Deb. I'm not going to be stingy with this because we really like it. All the way to the edges for her. All right. That's one burger. Shoot, wrong thing. I've got to put that over on that. And her lid will go right on there. Time to build my burger. I'm gonna put a thin layer of that right on the bottom of mine. That's just one. We'll come up with the burger on there. Burger's gonna be right over that. Look at that. My cheeseburger, that is. And we're gonna put some tomato. Now I'm a tomato guy, so I want 2 on mine. And some onion. Some lettuce. Now I'm telling you what, folks, this is gonna be really good burgers today. Good smash burgers today. Now then, my bun. We'll get my sauce on there. And see, I made this sauce earlier, as you know. And it is gonna be nothing but good. All right. Both of the burgers are up here done, built, ready to eat. So I'm gonna sit down right here and I'm gonna take me a bite. Now folks, this is a nice smash burger. Look at all the edges over the bun, crisp, juicy. Can't wait. Holy God. This is delicious. The flavor of the onions, the cheese, that burger, the crispness. Folks, this is nothing but good. Well, Deb's coming out. We're gonna sit outside to eat this today. I wanna thank you all for watching. Give us a like if you like the channel, if you like this video, I mean. Give us a thumbs up down there. We really would appreciate it. We're hoping you all have a great day today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you. Enjoy your evening.